In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set the default image for Facebook links to your website. So if you post a link anywhere on Facebook to your website, Facebook's usually just going to go in and pull in whatever image it can, and that's going to show up on the Facebook post. But we have a way where you can choose what image you want for that. So we're going to go into settings and preferences. If we just scroll down a little bit here to social settings, you can see we have this Facebook image option. You would just click add, and then just click upload image, and just find whatever image you want to use in your files. You could also just click the logo here, or any image you have currently saved on the site. So I'm just going to do the logo. And now whenever I post a link to my website, it's just going to show my logo there. And that's all for this tutorial. Just make sure you save when you're done.